Hi everyone, today on Hello Susan I want to share my Christmas daily journal that I made, and this one is predominantly blue with red and cream and white. And here's the cover. It's got a little pretty baby deer and it says Merry and Bright. These are some poinsettias that I actually did glitter and resin. And I do have a video about that in case you didn't see it. If you want to learn how to make those, I'll link that in the description below. And this is a soft cover. It's covered with blue lace, and then I've got lace on the edges, and then I've got appliques with sequins right here and right here. So it's very festive and shiny. So cute. Okay, and I do have eyelets right here where I put the ribbon through. Let's go ahead and open it up. Just tied a bow right there. That way it doesn't pull through over time. And then right here, I didn't notice that, but it's the crochet trim off of a tea towel. Okay. Let me make sure I'm in the center so you can see it real good. I think I can go in just a little bit. Let's see how that does. Okay, I think that's perfect. So right here is, of course, the inside is covered with this poinsettia paper. I've got some velvet ribbon here, and then some ribbon right here. And this is a paper clip that's altered, and it's got diamond dust and resin. See how it sparkles? It's just fabulous. And this is our first pocket, and it's got 2 tags in it. Now this is the daily countdown. So throughout it you're going to see, I used 3 kits in this one. I did the daily Christmas papers, which is this. And then I also did my Shabby Christmas countdown numbers, which is this. And then I also did the Christmas stamps. So you'll see all of that throughout. This has got a little bit of mesh trim that's got some white daisies with gold centers. And here's another one of those resin poinsettias. They're all throughout. I just wanted it to make it real sparkly and pretty. It's that cute little deer. There's a snowman, and then that opens up and you see another little deer. Isn't that cute? It's got that gingham ribbon there, and then it's got a little embroidered flower there. And here's day 2. Now what I was doing was I was doing from the front and the back, thinking I was going to meet in the middle with the numbers. And I realized in the beginning of the book, I was spacing them out way too much. So all of a sudden you'll see in the middle, they just start getting, almost every page has one. But I don't think it's going to matter. I think that you'll be able to write everything you want to. And then here's a top tuck spot with two tags in it. And there's another one of those glittered poinsettias. Lots of places to write and add pictures, put cards in here. There's the third one. It says, naughty, nice, I tried. And there's one of those, first one of the stamps that I used right there. And here's a couple of tags right here in this pocket. Here's another one of those little stamps. Very Christmassy, even though it features a lot of blue. And here's a resin glittered butterfly that I designed just for this book. And that's some sequin trim right there. And then here's a little bit of embroidered trim right here. Trim there and there. Little gingham bow, and that's some sequin trim. And then this is a really pretty trim right here. It's got flowers. But isn't that nice how that white picks up that, and it's got the red bird. Here's another one. Pretty church. There's applique there and some trim and trim. And then this one has lace trim on this side. And look, I did the little bird as a pocket. So I left his back open so you could put 2 tags in there, and I did. I put little stamps. And then here's day 4. See how I left so much room for you to write, because this is like your daily journal where you write every day what's going on in your life, or put cards in that you received that day, or just whatever pictures you want to put in. Day 5. And then here's a cutout on the Santa Claus is So Jolly music, and that's an applique. Here's a red applique. Number 6. Number 7. And that's got 3 tags in it. So it goes from cream to blue to red to white to back to, it's just such a good combination, I think, and very Christmassy feeling. Day 8, day 9. It's a fussy cut candy cane right there. Gingerbread recipe. That's just one page. And this is a little flip out, so that's day 10. Lots of places for you to make this your own. Look at that pretty deer. Just love it. Okay, and here's 3 tags right here. And then here's a smaller page with day 11. And then here's one of those resin butterflies, and I designed that for this book. It doesn't come with the kit, it's just something that I designed so it'd be special. And then here's day 12 with an applique underneath it. All those sequins right there. And then day 13. It's got poinsettia, and some deer, and then here's a little corner tuck, and you can open it up and write in there. And it's got 2 tags at the bottom. That's got some embroidered trim. And this is the center of the signature. And there's just one signature, but there is 92 pages, fronts and backs. Okay, here's a whole page full of stamps. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stamps right there. I just did a whole page of pockets and then put trims and alternated the color, so it'll be like a peppermint. And then it's got a little ornament right there. And there we're up to day 14. And there's day 15. And then this flips open. See the beautiful red bird? It says, "'Tis the season to be jolly," and this is trim and lace. This is that gold mesh ribbon that I bought. I have used that in almost every project that I have done this year in some form or another. I just love it. It's not really gold and it's not really silver, so it's kind of like that platinum color. It's so beautiful. There, day 16, day 17. And then here's day 18, and you can flip that over and put a secret message right there. And day 19. And then here's day 20. And that's got that mesh with the glitter and little daisies. And this is a pocket that's got 2 tags in it. And we're at day 21. And then look at all this trim with the sequins all over it. So sparkly. Here's a belly band with an envelope in it. I didn't put anything in the envelope, so I'm not going to get it out. But it's the same paper as the inside right here. That's what I made it out of. Then here's a little bird bath ornament that I found I just fell in love with. I thought it was so cute. I got to use it someplace in this book. And so it's got a little embroidered flower right there and some gingham trim on the edge. Day 22, we got another applique here and some lace. And then this says snowflakes, and there's 3 tags right there and a basket. I was going to do some other things to this book, but it started getting very full, and I thought, I feel like that's just enough. It's just time to stop. And then here's a poinsettia with the resin and the glitter. So this doesn't flake off at all. It is stuck there for forever. I know a lot of my other ornaments and things, I did not use the resin, and it seems like every time I touch it, it seems some of it will come off. Now here is some of the pages that come with the kit, and I just reduced it down to a smaller size and printed a bunch of them and just made a little tablet right here so that you have more places to write. Isn't that fun? And then here's a red applique. It says Merry Christmas. Little gingham here. Another resin glitter butterfly. Day 23. See, there's that page that I had reduced down to make that tablet. And then here's a pretty picture right there. And we've got a pocket with 2 tags. Got a little applique right here. I'm loving it. I hope y'all love it too. Please let me know in the comments. And then we've got day 24. There's another one of the resin poinsettias. Pretty trim there. Always believe. And it says Merry Christmas, and this is a little pocket that I put a little tag in. That's an applique and some lace. This is very old. It's rickrack, and then they actually crocheted to the rickrack. I don't know how many hours that took somebody to do, but that's very old. And here we go. Finally, day 25, Christmas Day. And I put that mesh behind it, and then it's got the mesh with the flowers. It says believe in the magic of Christmas. Then here's a pocket. There's a stamp there, and then 3 tags. And this is the back of the signature. Here's an envelope that is blue, and I've got some beautiful embroidered trim there. Tied it with a red ribbon that's rayon, seam binding. Did not put anything in there, so that's just for you to put your keepsakes in. And then this is the back of the book. So this is